Hello everyone, I am Radhakante Irom and I am going to teach your maths, and today's topic is trigonometry. So let us proceed. So from the very word itself, the word trigo, it means triangle, T-R-I-N-G-L-E, and metry, it means measure. So trigonometry is nothing but it is the measurement of all possible things in a triangle. In a triangle, for example, I am considering it as triangle A, B. It can be any triangle. Okay, and you represent this as this side length as small a, this as b, and this as c, and this angle as theta 1, this angle as theta 2, and this angle as theta 3. So there are three sides, three angles. The measurement of all these three sides and three angles in a triangle is called as the trigonometry, and we are going to find the relationship between sides and angles in trigonometry. Okay, so in trigonometry you are required to know a very important topic called Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. You might have already known this concept. In a right triangle, the sum of the square of the longest side is equal to sum of the square of the remaining two sides. The longest side here is, for example, in this right triangle, B, it is 90 degree. Opposite to this, it is the longest side. AC is the longest side. It is hypotenuse. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, it means the longest side square is equal to the sum of the remaining two sides. Okay. I think you know this concept. Okay. And in trigonometry, you need to consider a right triangle. Okay, before going to the depth of this trigonometry, I am going to tell you the different types of angle measurements. There are three types of angle measurement. There are three types of angle measurement. Number one, it is called as the sexagesimal system. Number two, it is called centesimal system, and number three, it is called circular system. Okay. For this sexagesimal system, I am going to take a right angle. Say and you are going to divide this 90 degree. It is 90 degree. One right angle, it means, say I'm writing it again. One right angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. In this sexagesimal system, you are going to divide this 90 degree into 90 equal parts. Okay. For example, I am drawing this like this. I am going to divide this 90 degree into 90 equal parts. Okay, so 1/90th of a right angle is called as the 1 degree. Okay, 1 degree equal to 1/90th of right angle. Okay, this is called as 1 degree. And if we further divide this, for example, you consider this as 1 degree. You are going to divide this 1 degree but into 60 equal parts. Sexa, it means 60 like that. Okay, you are going to divide this 1 degree into 60 equal parts. Okay, then one part is called as the 1 minute. So you can write like this as 1 degree equal to 60 minute. You are going to denote this as 60 minute. And further this, you are going to divide this 1 minute into 60 equal parts, smaller part, and that small part is called as the second. This is called minute, this is called second. Similarly, in centesimal method, okay, you are going to divide this 90 degree into centi, it means 100. Okay, you are going to divide this into 100 equal parts. Okay, so 100 of right angle, that means 90 degree, is called as 1 grade. Okay, it is called as 1 grade. I am representing this as small g. Okay, and further you are going to divide this 1 grade into 100 equal parts. Okay, 1 grade equal to 100 minutes. 4 minutes in centesimal, you are going to write it as opposite of this one, minute. Okay, it is doing like this, and you are going to write like this. Okay, similarly, you divide this 1 minute into 100 equal parts, you are going to get this one, and seconds. Okay, and in circular system, you need to know this thing. Okay, what is meant by 1 radian? You are having a circle with center O, and you are having a radius R. Okay, it is the angle subtended at the center by an arc. It is the R. Okay, for example, this is the R. This arc length is equal to the radius. For example, this length, when we straighten it, will become R, similar to radius. Okay, and this angle is called as 1 radian. We denote radian by this small c. Okay, this is about the measurement of angles. Okay, I'm going to write it. For trigonometry, you need to know some smaller concepts. Okay, these are called as the trigonometric ratios. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. They are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Before going to this trigonometric ratios, I am going to denote, make you understand the notations. Okay, this is the right triangle ABC, right angle at 90 degree. So we know this angle theta. Okay, the side which is having both 90 degree and theta, this is called as the base. Okay, and the longest angle, the longest side, this is called as hypotenuse, and the remaining side, that is the angle which the side which is opposite to the angle theta, it is called as the perpendicular. We denote it by IB like this. Okay, so sine of this means it is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, when you know sine, you can easily know cosecant. It is P by H, it is H by P. Similarly, cosine, it means base by hypotenuse. When you know cosine, you can easily know secant. It is H by B. For this tangent, you need to find P by B. Okay, P by B, perpendicular by base. When you know tangent, you can find P by P. Okay, I am concluding the topic here. Further lecture will be discussed in the next lecture.